Whoa! That was a strong wind.
Sometimes that fast wind can spin in a big, tall circle called a tornado.
A tornado? Wow! Is it like a super fast, giant spinning top that comes from the clouds?
Exactly. To make one, you need two kinds of air. First, warm, light air that loves to go up. And second, cool, heavy air that wants to come down. Like two big clouds passing by.
So the warm air goes up and the cool air goes down at the same time?
You got it! And when they meet, they can start to spin and spin like a big rolling tube.
It's a spinning tube! Look at it go! But it's on its side.
Great observation! The spinning tube gets pulled up by a big storm cloud, like this. And that makes the funnel cloud, a spinning column of air reaching for the ground.
It's so close! What happens if it touches the ground?
When it touches the ground, that's when it becomes a tornado!
Wow! So warm air up, cool air down, makes a spin, and a storm cloud pulls it up. So cool!
That's my little scientist. Every question is an adventure. Keep wondering.
Did you have fun? Click like and subscribe for more adventures.